This is for para ma-monitor nyo yung audio na nare-record kung malinaw ba. So, pwede kang mag-record, then naka-plug dito, may naka-plug cellphone mo dito, narinig mo yung audio na while recording. Dito yung condition. Again, this is the new Saramonic Smartmixer, compatible for iPhones and Android devices. Pwede rin siya sa mga DSLR or mirrorless cameras. Kasi I saw some people na ganito ang gamit nila instead of boom mic na medyo malalaki. Thank you, and rate ng video, like, and please subscribe. I'll be posting more travel videos soon, and have a good day.